Hey, it's Chris. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to place any image into shapes in Canva. Okay, so in Canva, you have your uploads. You want to upload your images, what you want to put into your shape. And then first, we need to go to Elements and select these things called frames. Okay, so you can click on See All, and you notice there's like circles and some rectangles, all kinds of different shapes that we can use. So let's pick this one, and let's pick this one, and maybe this diamond. So we have like 3 different shapes here. I thought we had 3, maybe we only have 2. Maybe we'll go up and select something else. Let's go to this guy right here. Alright, so we have these shapes, and you can make these larger or smaller just by dragging, however you want to do it. Okay, so once you have your frames, you can go into your uploads and whatever picture you're going to use to drag over. I'm just going to select some photos from the library here. So say we wanted to add this office picture into one of these shapes. It's basically you just going to drag it over and drop it in. We'll drag this one in, and then we'll drag this one in. So now you have these inside the shapes. It's really simple and really easy to do. But you may want to adjust these images also. So to do that, just double click on the image, and then you can maybe stretch it out or make it smaller. Now you can only make it as small as the frame. Okay, so if you are trying to make it smaller and it won't go anymore, you would have to make the frame itself smaller. Okay. Alright, so say you don't want this image in here. Just click the trash can, and it's going to come up delete image or delete frame. So if you delete the frame, it's going to delete everything. Okay. We'll hit Control or Command Z to bring that back. And if you just want to delete the image to change out the image, you just hit delete image and the frame will stay, and then you can put another picture in there. Okay, so when you're hovering over it, sometimes it won't go in there. You have to make sure you just move it till it outlines, just like so. And that is it, and then you would export it out however you want to do it. Share, download, PNG, JPEG, PDF, SVG, however you want to save it out. But that's how you do it pretty quickly, pretty easy to do. There are a bunch of different frames in here, like let's just delete all these out. We'll just select them all, delete, select them all, I said, delete. Sometimes I mess up. Alright, let's go back into frames, and say you wanted to do letters. Okay, there are a ton of letters in here that you can do. Let's just say we'll do a B. We'll make this big. Alright, so you can make this into like a floral or maybe like a gradient. If we go back into our images, let's search for floral. Okay, so say you wanted to make this a floral thing. You have to go on photos. I don't think graphics works. I've tried this before. Let's double check and make sure. Actually, graphics do work. Okay, I stand corrected. Alright, delete image. Okay, but that's not really what we want. I mean, we could do this one and maybe make it really big and put it in there, and then you have your B, but then the only thing is you can't really see the B, so maybe change your background color. Still doesn't really work out, right? So let's delete this, delete image. Let's go back and let's do a photo this time. So something that's full like this one here would work really nicely, and then you have your little floral B. Okay. But there's really nothing else that you can do with this, like put a stroke around it or whatever. So what you would have to do is kind of go into your text and then maybe type out a capital letter B and make it big, and then try to find a font that matches that. Let's see here. Maybe this one will be close. Not really, but let's see here. Maybe if we stretch it out. It's close, but it's not. But you can like position to back, kind of finagle it around. That doesn't work, but if you went and tried to go through all kinds of different fonts to maybe find something that matches, you could do it. There's thousands of fonts in here. I'll do a video on how to make your own custom frames here soon. It's halfway easy, and you can do it like Photopea or Photoshop or even Word. Basically, you would just type out your letter and do a clipping mask type of thing and save it out. But anyways, that's how you put images into shapes in Canva. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.